Why is my iPhone crashing constantly? Below are the reasons. Bugs in the latest iOS system. Launching many apps on your device takes up a lot of space. An issue with your iPhone's drivers can cause it to crash. Bugs in the apps you launch. How to solve it when iPhone keeps crashing? Try restarting your device. To restart your iPhone, do the following. iPhone X and above. Press then hold the power button and volume up, down button, and drag it to switch off the iPhone. Once turned off, turn it on again by holding the power button. iPhone 8 and below. Long press the power button until you see the slide for powering off. Then drag it to switch off the phone. Then long press the power button till the Apple's logo shows to turn on your iPhone. Update your phone's software. Go to Settings, then tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Now, you will see a summary page showing all the available iOS updates. If any, click on the Update option. Reinstall the app causing iPhone to crash. If you notice your iPhone crashing when using a certain app, ensure you remove that app. You may uninstall and then install the app again. Or, you can update all of your apps if you don't know the specific app crashing your phone. Go to the App Store, then click on Update to see if there's an update available. Check your iPhone's storage. Open the settings, then tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you will see the memory occupied by apps, music, photos, and videos stored on your device. If you find the storage space not enough, then it is suggested to remove some files from your device. Just check which file is taking up more space and delete it if required. Hard reset your iPhone. Hard resetting your iPhone isn't much recommended as it always erases data, but it works to resolve any software issues that prevent the normal functioning of the device. Close those apps running in the background. Closing all the apps running in the background on your device will help you solve the iPhone crashing issue as more storage is created.